relaxing the face, dropping the shoulders, relaxing
So
the belly as you breathe in.
I got a joint pre-roll.
And breathe out.
I haven't done this smoking
Deep breath
way of
in.
ingesting THC
Deep breath
ganja
out.
for like
Deep breath in.
6 or 7 months.
And
Probably
deep
7
breath
months.
out.
No, like 7 or 8 months.
Every cell in the body breathing in. Every cell in the body breathing out. Deep breath in. Deep breath out.
Thank you.
Breathing
All these
into the
frameworks are
belly.
amazing, and I'll show you one major hack that we've been jamming on.
Exhale, relaxing the belly, relaxing the face, relaxing the mind, allowing the mind to unwind, to settle. As you breathe in, breathe out.
I have an email chain going with WAP.
Breathing in, breathing out.
Ironically, yeah.
Inhale,
Right
exhale, inhale.
So I've been going in a chain, and then I jumped in, but mostly it's just my
Aware of
AI.
your posture as you
And
breathe in.
So I said, this is.
And breathe out.
I said, can you share an
Breathing
email
into the
layout
heart.
graph of the WAP Creator Business Framework?
And
Thanks.
exhale,
And
opening
then
the
it
heart.
said, that's a sharp topic shift
Relaxing
in
the
the API
belly,
key issue. So let me lay out the
relaxing the
actual structure
shoulders,
since this is plain text.
Relaxing the
Here's the
palms of
framework
your
as a
hands
layered
and feet.
hierarchy rather than a visual graph.
Breathing in and breathing out.
And then WAP Creator Business Framework, the company, products, experiences,
Breathing in
members,
slower and softer.
all the little things. It's like perfect. Very helpful. Anything else that would be helpful in
Even
building the best
slower,
CLI,
even
MCP,
softer.
or corresponding application architecture to build and support WAP's mission and goals. The cloud is working to hoist in and around WAP to work and benefit its users. And it says, good question and genuinely relevant
Your
given what the
mind has
cloud is
been wanting
building, a
to
few
roam,
concrete architecture
wanting to
calls
think.
that will matter more than
Now
most.
is the time to allow
Identity
the
model.
mind
Don't lean
total
on
freedom
one static app
to
key.
roam
Given what you've hit with the
and to
real
think.
reveal bug, this is also just the right architecture regardless for a tool that acts on behalf of many different creators, yada yada yada.
Keeping the
Treat it as a
breath
thin
silent,
wrapper around the SDK.
so quiet you can't even hear it.
Basically,
As
like
you
here are all the
allow
instructions
mind
of
total
ways.
freedom
And then it's
to
like happy to
roam
actually build
and to
any of
think.
this with you. I'm like, what? Like, you want to build this with me? All right. So I'm trying to get the latest. Okay. Huh? This is so good. Okay, 2 deliverables below. Okay, so what did my AI say? This is my AI. This is genuinely useful, thank you. Taking you up on it. 2 things. Map the framework against our actual account. What we already have set up versus what's missing. Is a concrete build-out plan like you offered. Scaffold the OAuth flow against our app record. And set up the webhook subscriptions. Your the key reveal cases self-stays. Okay, I really want to understand this actually though. Scaffold the auth flow against our app record. And set up the webhook subscription membership. You're right that per install auth is the better architecture anyways. And it routes around the key reveal bug entirely. Whatever you can configure directly on your side, please do. And then it's like, here's some deliverables. Both hit the same wall. I'm read-only in this thread, so anything that writes your account app configs webhook, I can't execute. I'll give you the exact values to enter yourself and flag anywhere I couldn't even confirm state due to a permissions gap. So basically what we're building with our app is everything that it cannot do. So that's where I just kind of start to get into my vibes. This is actually amazing. And basically anything that it's not able to do but should be able to do for its creators is basically a key core component of what we're building in the app and API CLI structure around them. But also there's a ton of key giveaways of how their architecture is built, what their sort of models and frameworks are. And I think that if there's anything else we want to ask them, feel free to go ahead and keep that going. And so it's seeing, it's providing you with this information. I'm curious for you to see what value you get from it and keep getting value from them. Basically, we should just keep responding to them and learning from them and just convening as we are now, and then executing those into build docs as we go across our entire workstation, the end-to-end stack. Okay, so it was reading those emails, and then it was like,
and letting go of
what
thoughts.
the thread produced, and this is before the last
back
one
into the
response.
body.
I mean, it hasn't
back into
responded to
this
this
moment.
last one.
As you take a deep breath in,
Their whole business framework, laid out in
Deep
layers,
breath
company
out.
products, experiences, members with the growth layer, architecture advice aimed at us, the reframe that changes our
softening the
web status
jaw,
per
the
install
lips, the
auth makes.
forehead, the eyes,
Yeah, what I built from it.
softening the chest,
We had like a whole business
relaxing the
analysis.
spine, feeling your lower body rooted, grounded,
Did I share
like a tree. So you take a deep breath in,
Bought partner business
holding that breath at the top,
analysis, partner dossier.
and exhale.
I need to actually ask.
Feeling the breath drop down into the belly, feeling your belly relax. Taking a deep breath in, and a deep breath out.
Tick sealed
Deep breath
distribution
in.
packet.
And a deep breath out.
I'm like, what? This is a big one. Research and prep lane, no app runtime code touched.
Letting go of all the air in your
Specs
lungs,
how
just
to-
be empty
how
of
the
breath.
cloud gets found and one click connected from inside AI surfaces.
Taking a deep inhale. Holding that breath at the top.
So I see above we have 3304 distribution packet and 3305
And exhale.
fleet self-pricing, both merged. I want to know what the next steps are. What is it to test, or what's the next doc that needs to be slotted in
Becoming
or
aware of
activated,
how you're sat.
so those things truly can come to
Aware
life. So
of
that
your
we can share them
awareness,
all.
your
For example,
aliveness.
distribution
You
packets
live
pointing
to
at
see
something
another day, but it
absolutely
won't
massive.
always be that way.
Arguably every feature is pointing towards something massive. So every feature is essentially a thread. It's an update or a fix
Taking one last
or a,
deep breath for now.
an inquiry or an evolution upon a thread.
And exhale,
or
let go.
interconnecting between threads. But the goal is that
Color
threads
for
never
today
die.
is red.
Once an idea
The
or an
number
insight or an area
is
or an object
400,
is declared and
and the
identified,
animal
how can it be nourished, cultivated,
is a swan.
evolved, or unified?
I thank you for joining me across time and space. I'm sending you a big hug, my dear friend. Wishing you an abundance of love, resourcefulness, creativity, gracefulness, consciousness, having the capacity to embrace the ending
Flywheel
of
working. Their agent just gave us our
of,
own
of
account
different
of
aspects of our life that come to an end. Is so difficult of a thing to do, and we have to hold compassion and hold ourselves with
So the cloud
grace
read email, the cloud
as we
search emails, the
approach
cloud templates,
endings,
the cloud
transitions,
templates, the cloud run agent, the cloud
change.
send email.
In this way, we can remember that
I'm sure other people
there
are
is a
experiencing
certain
this,
beauty
freaking
to
out and telling their
endings.
wives.
You can
that they're
imagine
onto
watching a
something big.
movie that never ends.
But I can't help but think
would
I'm
be
on something big
torturous.
and tell mine.
The fact that the movie
Fiance.
ends is what makes it interesting, fascinating, captivating. So
I love it. I'm
embracing
happy to build this.
endings and remembering that every ending is just a beginning in
So here's mine.
disguise,
I have to like
is
the
an
new update
adventure
for
in
emails
disguise, a
being
new
automatically
becoming
updated is late,
in
but
disguise. And when we remember this, it makes the ending easier, that we can
Okay.
see that, okay, we're
So
actually
this is
approaching
exactly what
something
we
new,
do. Both
something
deliverables
fresh.
are already being executed
And
on our
that's
side.
exciting.
X URLs
And
queued
with
for the
that,
dashboard.
I will
Webhook
see you
receiver
back
being
here
built against your
tomorrow
exact event list scope
with
treatment
love.
plan. A few follow-ups while we build new app as a workaround. Since API keys reveal once at creation, if we create a brand new app under does the app creation flow display the key at that moment? If yes, that sidesteps the broken reveal entirely, and we'd start the new app with a true scope list from day one. Anything we'd lose by moving from app to a fresh app, review state, install base, anything else? Before 3, you hit listing webhook subscription on our company. That role permission governs webhook list. And how do we check or fix that on our side? This, like, imagine two humans talking to each other, being like, can I have all this? Can I have all this? Like, look how productive this is. And this is a little loud. Anyways, the experience view embed, when our surface renders inside a product for a member, how does it learn who the member is? Is there a sign token, JWT handed to the iframe, and how do we verify it? When we're ready to list in your app marketplace, discover what does review actually evaluate and what's the usual timeline. No rush. Like, what do you actually review? Like, that's not in their docs. Confirmed everything I needed, answers below in order. New apps as a workaround. Yes, this works and is the right move. The create app endpoint response includes API tokens, default, blah, 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 blah. It's a different code path from the blah, 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 blah. Should size up the bug entirely. Same applies if this dashboard's create flow rather than the API, the key shown create model itself before it ever hits a mess. Field. What you'd lose from moving from app blah to a fresh app, review state, marketplace resets, your app is pending review. Yeah, install, 0 install. Yeah, that's a big deal. So this is a big deal. So what I would propose is like to build an app ecosystem with like self-healing proponents, stronger AI plugins, basically for creators, their audience into WAP, because I'm basically like ready to build crazy architecture for them, but I would be hindered by the fact that like if I expose my app ID, right? Okay, so if I expose my app ID from WAP, that's a big deal or not? It's not a big deal. And also the okay, not a big deal. The only 2 WAP things that are secrets: API key and webhook secret. Everything else, app ID, business ID, product ID is safe to expose. I was like, bro, why'd you expose it?
Welcome, my friend.
Okay, make sure to go into the WHOP
You're
tool
tuned in
in our
to
stack
Om
and
Haiku.
add all of the different
I'm your
keys
host,
and
my moon.
credentials and things, and then just like start
Back with
logging
another
as we
music
go,
meditation.
little logs
Just to soothe.
on what we're learning, what we're experiencing, things like a little area
Just to
where we can track
relax.
things that we think they should fix. For
Let go
example,
of stress.
stronger. Just there's so many things, like you know.
Let go of anger,
And
frustration,
every single thing that we're
tensions.
discovering and uncovering and finishing needs to be moved to the next stage. That's the whole rule.
Combat
of
the
threat
trust in the
brand.
unfolding of life.
Okay, so
Not always
distribution
easy
merge.
to trust in life.
What's
That's
in
why
main is
we're
the
here
packet.
practicing.
Research manifest, listing drafts, the spec coming to
That
life.
being
happen
said,
on
my
the
friend,
forefront.
getting comfortable,
It's like I want to see the packet.
becoming aware of how you're sat. You can lie down or sit up, close the eyes or leave them open, whatever you like. Whatever feels natural. Beginning to witness and welcome your inner world of thoughts, emotions, sensations, feelings, energy level, body temperature. All is welcome. Witnessing and embracing your inner world.
Yeah, it's saying make a new app because we haven't even reviewed your app yet. if we make a new app, I would rather you hop into my browser, ideally with a cloud tool. If not, that tool needs to be finished. But ideally, you just hop into my browser and you do it, because I don't want to deal with all of that. Not saying. NaH, what I'm saying. Wow. There's no way I'm getting to that permissions landmine. Look at this.
Natural for the mind to
Look at
drift.
this.
Allowing
These are just the ones
distractions to
I
be,
haven't
allowing
unclicked. Like,
noises,
look at this.
thoughts,
These are the ones that I haven't clicked to,
worries,
so like those would be on this
allowing
too.
everything to be.
Absolutely ridiculous.
As you breathe
Absolutely
in
ridiculous. There's not a select all option.
and exhale.
Of course. Go.
Deep breath in.
Yeah, I just have like back-to-back emails from WAP's AI telling me what to do to
Deep
build the best
breath
things
out.
and what they do.
Relaxing the
What makes them
face,
the best.
the
Like, I can
jaw,
ask
the
them any
lips,
question.
the forehead, the eyes. Relaxing the belly. Relaxing the hands and feet. As you breathe in new life, new energy. And exhale. Every cell in the body breathing in. Every cell in the body breathing out. Doing good, my friends. Stay with me. Aware of your posture as you breathe in. Breathe out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Inhale. Exhale. Letting go of stress. Letting go of worries. Coming back to trust in the unfolding of life as you breathe in.
So good.
And breathe out. Breathing in slower and softer. And exhale even slower, even softer.
Okay. I have so much to do. I'm gonna hop off.